to, if you get 100%, that is your mark. All right, so what to do now? Okay, what to do now is I will, okay, I will share to you the entire screen, okay, that one, and share. Okay. Go to here, go to desktop, go to what we call it, statics. Okay, we go to here, go to here. Okay, C1. This is my promise to you. Okay, this is my promise to you. Okay, this is all my promise to you. Okay, we are now week number. We are now in week number 8. Week number 8. Okay, week number 9. Okay, we are now number 11. Okay, we should move on to friction. Okay, by tomorrow. Okay, by tomorrow we will do friction. Okay, but most probably I will complete the 3D first in this week. Okay, in this week. Then I will let we do the friction by next week. Okay, the friction we will do by next week. We will do the friction. So okay. So normally, okay, the friction will appear. The friction will appear. Okay. The friction will appear. Okay. The friction will appear in test 3, and then that 3D. Let me. It is recorded or not? Okay. The 3D will appear in the final. Okay, the final. Okay, so in the last class, okay, in the last class, all right, what happened was I asked you to do a 3D, okay, equilibrium of rigid bodies in 3D. Okay, we did on a question here. We did on this question, okay, on that question there, okay, right, that question, that one, okay, not that one, this one, okay. So only 3 of you send me the solution. All right, am I right? Only 3 of you send me the solution. Okay, so okay, so in university, okay, you have to work more. The tension, determine the bearing A does not support. Okay, we move on to this question here today. The bend rod is shown is supported by the axial bearing at O, axial bearing at O, axial bearing at O, a ball and socket joint at B, okay, ball and joint is at D, and by a cable at E. A 75 kilogram mass is loaded at C. Determine the tension in cable AE and direction at O and D. The bearing O does not support any axial thrust and moment. How many forces at point O? How many forces at point O? Hello, I'm talking to the wall or what? Can you listen to me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm asking. So we are now on 3D. Okay, we are now on 3D. Go edit. Okay. Take snapshot of it from there to there. All right. Copy. move it to here. Okay. Okay. So it says that, so this is weeknight, save as desktop, SKMM 1203. 1203. Okay. 1203. Okay. Week 9, lecture 2. Okay. I want you to do that now. Okay. To do that now. So do, okay, in new slide here, new slide there. Okay. So I'm asking you how many, okay, edit, take snapshot of it. How many of, oh, no. Are you very sad with the exam last night or what? Hello?
Okay, sir.
It's okay, all right. It's okay, okay. Edit, take a snapshot of it. Okay, from there to there. All right, copy, move here. Okay, it says that, okay, it says that, okay, it says that you have to do this in half an hour. Do that now. Do that now. Okay. I will call somebody soon so that he or she will join, will what? Will share me the solution. Okay? Try to do that. I ask you how many forces at point D? How many forces at point D? It's ball and socket there. Hello?
Three
forces.
3 forces. Okay, draw here. So dx. dy and dz. How many forces at point O?
2.
2, sir.
And which direction?
X and Y.
Okay, x, no, oh yes, x and y, which doesn't carry, so ax, ox, and oy. As simple as that. Okay, right. So do that for me. Do that for me. So the first thing is you have to do summation of force in x is equal to summation of force in y is equal to summation of force in z equal to 0. It's better I mention to you do a table. Do a table. How many forces? Okay, forces. Okay, force at O, force at D, force at C, and force A, E, and force at C. Okay, then do your table. In I, J, and K. And everything there is goes to 0. In I, in J, in K. Do that in 5 minutes for me. Do that in 5 minutes for me. Okay, do that in 5 minutes for me. Give me 5 minutes. I want to go to toilet. Okay. Can you listen to me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Good. So O,
Yes.
you have OX, OY, and 0 here. Okay, D, at point D you have DX, DY, and DZ. So at point C, you have negative 75 G, 0 in X, 0 in Y. At point E, you have TAE multiplied by TAE multiplied by TAE multiplied by that. Dx is going to be negative 0.3, negative 0.3. Dy is going to be 0.6, 0.6. Dz is going to be 0.2. Can you get me the D, the overall length there? D.
0.7.
0.7. 0.7. 0.7. Okay, okay. So you're going to have OX plus DX minus, can you somebody summarize it to me? 0.3 divided by 0.7 there?
0.43.
Zero 0.43 TAE. That equal to 0. Okay, secondly is good. You have OY plus DY plus 75G plus what TOE there? 0.6 over 0.6 over 0.7? 0.6 over 0.7 what?
0.86.
0.86 TAE that equal to 0. This is equation 1. This is equation. Then you have DZ plus 0.2 over 0.7 is what? Tell me.
0.29.
0.29 TAE, everything goes to 0. You have any solution for that? Then tell me where is the best point to do, where is the best point to do a moment?
At point D.
D.
Pandai?
Yeah.
All right, very good. Summation of moment, point D is equal to 0. You are sitting at point D, means that R from D to C, cross product by force mg plus R from D to A. D to A cross product by TAE plus R from D to O cross product by F at O. Everything goes to 0. Are you absolutely clear on how I do moment? Tell me if you don't.
Sir.
Oh,
Sir,
clear.
I got question. Is it from D
Yes.
to A or D to E?
Where?
For friction AE, is it is it
Okay, OA. Also, you can do to R from D to E. Can. You will get the same answer, but you have the long way to go. Say that you want to go from Johor Bahru to KL. You can take a plus highway, or you could also go from Johor Bahru to Mersing, Mersing to Kuantan, and Kuantan taking LPT to KL. You get the same. You will get the same destination, but long way to go. Good question there. All right. So okay. So now is R from D to C is equal to what? D to C. D to C is a
0.
negative 0.7 I plus 0J plus 0K cross product by 0I minus 75 multiplied by J plus 0K. Are you agree with that? Are you agree with that?
Yes.
Yes, kena kuat semangat. If you want to do aeronautical, mechanical engineering, that is the way to go. Okay, you have to be strong character. Strong character in a test. You cannot be upset after the test. You cannot be upset at the test. Okay, then plus what? So plus, we do change color there. R from O to A is O to A is negative 1.4 I plus 0J, okay, minus 0.5 K cross product by that force is, can you summarize it to me? It is in I is negative 0.43 TAE in I, okay, plus 0.86 TAE in J, okay, plus 0.29 TAE in K. Are you agree with me?
Agree, sir.
Agree with me. So I don't have a space anymore to write. Where can I write it? So I have to go to the. Can I continue in the next page?
Yes.
Can I do that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So how can I write here? So it's the mata sudah tak nampak. So it is okay. Let me write it in pen first. Okay. So let me write a pen first. Okay. This is not pen. This is not pen. So it is going to be negative 0.1 negative 1.4 I plus 0J minus 1.2K. Okay. Cross product by OX and OY. Okay. So it's going to be a plus here, okay. Negative 1.4 I plus 0J minus 1.2K cross product by 0xOXI plus OYJ plus 0K. Are you agree with me?
Sir, why negative 1.2?
1.2 is because you are moving from D to O. D to O. So in the Z direction, you move backward. 0.5 plus 0.7. You move backward.
How about the 0.2?
0.2, yes, plus 0.2. Ooh, okay, it's going to be what?
1.4.
1.4. Okay, zero is going to be, okay, it's going to be 1.4 here. So 1.4K, 1.4K. How about the
RDA?
BA also?
DA.
Okay, BA here is going to be negative
Negative
0.7. Who's telling me that?
Angela.
Angela. Oh, so you semalam I ambil gambar you,
Oh, ya.
Jangan marah,
Tidak.
Nah, someone will marah. Oh, taking photo now, That is the privacy one. Okay, so since Angela is calling me, let you to calculate this, Angela, for me. Okay, you calculate this for me. First section, okay? Angela. Hello?
Okay, calculating.
You calculate the first part for me, and then who is my next? Muhammad Razi Izzat. Razi Izzat, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Razi Izzat. Okay, can you do second part for me?
I try.
Razi, can you do second part for me?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Razi here. So, Razi is doing on that part for me. Samir Rahman.
Yes, sir.
Samir Rahman.
Yes, sir.
Samir,
Yes, sir.
can you listen me, Samir Rahman?
Yes, sir.
Can you do the third part for me?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Angela, Razi, and Samir. Can you do that for me, Samir Rahman? I can hear you. Sir, my mic is not working. Okay, you do that, right? So you will do this part for me. You will do this part for me. So you will do this part for me. So that part for me. So I am now waiting. Okay, three solution there. Three solution. The first calculation. Okay, the first calculation is going to be here from Angela. So second part from Aizat. And the last one from Samir Rahman. The rest can double check the solution. Double check the solution. Once done, Angela, Aizat, and Samir share in the chat. Once done, share it in the chat. Okay. Once you have done it, share it in the chat. The rest also can do the calculation, not to look only. Okay, now I'm taking my How long are you done, Angela? Angela got it. Are you from where, Angela? Your house from where?
Sandakan Sabah.
Oh, Sandakan. I asked you 10 times already, right?
Yeah.
Negative 515 in I. And K. Are you sure in K?
Yeah, in K.
515 Newton in K. It is 0I plus 0J plus 515 Newton in K. Okay. How about you, Aizat? Tell me. Aizat, how are you doing, Aizat? How long have you shared the Aizat? Izzat, Razi Izzat, how are you doing, Izzat? Still working? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Samiur Rahman, are you still working? Samiur Rahman. Two. Hello? Razi Izzat, can you listen to me?
Yes, sir.
Are you done?
I'm typing.
Okay, typing, good. Samiur Rahman, please type it. Hello? Okay, no, Aizat, you are calculating on a TAC, right? Where is your
My
TAC
mistake,
gone?
sir. Sorry.
Where is your TAC gone? That's it. 0.43I TAC plus 0.62 TACJ minus 0.406 TACK. Am I right?
AE.
Yes, sir. TAE.
Are you right, Razi? 0.43 TAC. 0.43 TAC. Zero point 0.43 TACI plus 0.62 TACJ minus 0.406 TACJ. Is that one? Is that what do you mean, Aizat? Aizat,
Yes, sir.
are you listening to me?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Aizat?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Izzat, can you listen me? Is
Yes.
that what you mean?
Yes. Yes.
Is that what you mean, Izzat? Okay. So 0x. So 0i. Samir, can you summarize it? Is it Samir, can you summarize it? Is it 0i? Samir. Lim.
Yes, sir.
Is it right? His calculation? The third part.
The OX and OY, sir.
Can you write your solution there? Can you write your solution there? negative 1.4 OYI. So let me check. Okay. Negative 0. Let me check my pen. So it is negative negative 1.4
Should be
OYI
no negative for I.
positive. Okay, 1.4 OXJ minus 1.4 OYK. It's going to be, okay, 1.4 OYI minus 1.4 OX J minus 1.4 OYJ. Is it what you mean, Lim?
Yes.
Lim?
Yes, sir.
Is that what you mean, Lim?
Yes.
Okay, so rearrange Balkis.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You arrange all in I.
Okay, wait.
Okay. You guess?
Yes, sir.
You arrange all in J.
Okay, sir.
And then who else? Danish?
Hello, sir.
Danish?
Yes.
You arrange all in K.
All in K. Okay.
Okay.
Can-
Make sure no mistake here. Make sure no mistake done here.
Sir,
Yeah.
I think for the second part, got a bit mistake.
Where?
The second
0.43.
part, the T,
Uh-huh.
The
TAC.
TAE.
TAE, right?
Ah.
So the number is right?
No.
Okay, so what is the right one? In I, 0. What?
0.6T.
AC.
Ah.
I.
Then, yes, I.
0.
0.6T. AC.
TACI. Right?
Then J is 0.7.
TAE. 0.7. Okay, then TA
K is negative 1.2.
1.2. TAC. J. Is that right now?
Yes.
Okay. So Balkis, your guess, and Danish, you rearrange it again.
Sir, can I see the solution back?
Okay.
All right.
Cannot make mistake here. You miss one calculation, everything goes wrong. Are you ready, you guys?
Yes, I will put my answer in the chat
Okay,
box.
tell me. Now, tell me in I. What is in all in J?
0.7 TAE,
0.7
TAE,
AE, then
minus 1.4
minus
x, 1.4 x.
1.4 OX, right?
Yep. OX.
OX, sayang. Jangan silap.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, Balkis, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
What is it? Yours?
0i and plus 0.
Balkis ni. No, in I. All in I. What is it? In I.
Yeah. 0.6 TAE
0.6 TAE
plus 1.4 YI. 1.4 OY.
OY. Okay. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Wait. Who's calculating the first part? Angela. Okay. Go ahead. Danish, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is it?
515K plus 515 plus minus 1.2 TAE minus 1.4 OY.
Erase. Here. Okay. 5.5. Tell me again.
After 515 minus 1.2 TAE.
Then
Minus 1.4 OY.
are you sure? Okay. Any objection on the summarize of I, J, and K? Any objection on I, J, and K there?
Sir, it's not 0.4 OY, it's 1.4.
So 0.4.
No, I mean you wrote 0.4, but then it's negative 1.4.
1.4. 1.4. Okay. 1.4. The rest are all right, Okay, negative. One point. 1.4, OY, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Right. Now you have another equation there. 0.6 TAE plus 1.4 OY is equal to 0, equation 4. Then you have 0.7 TAE plus 1.4 OX that equal to 0, equation 5. You're having fun today. 1515 minus 1.2 TAE minus 1.4 OY that equal to 0 equal to 6. So what to do now is you resolve equation 4 and 6 first, you will get OY and TAE. Then from that you can get everything. So I want the answer in about 10 minutes. Tell me TAE is what? Okay. OX is what? OY is what? TAE, OX, OY. Okay, tell me. So you have fun to do calculation here. So I think this is all mathematics, not in static. Okay, you resolve equation 4 in equation 6. Okay, resolve equation 4 in equation 6, you will get TAE and OY. Okay, so from TAE you will get OX and blah 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 from the above equation. So I give you for new slide there. So so you will tell me now in 10 minutes what is TAE, what is your dx, what is your dy, what is your dz, what is your dx, dy, dz, and ox and oy. Ox and oy. Okay, do that for me. Okay. You have 5 minutes to go, 10 minutes to do this, right? So that's why, okay. Okay. That one okay, that one okay. That one should be okay. You are now working on it. Are you done? Don't blame me if you make any calculation above there. Who want to tell me TAE is this, dx is this, dy is this, dz is this, ox is this, oy is that? Hello? I'm talking alone or what? Hello? Okay, Samir Rahman giving me the answer. Let me check it. All right, Samir Rahman. Rahman. Okay, TAE is that equal to 2x6.11 Newton. OX that equal to 143.05. OY is equal to negative 122.62. Okay. TAE is that equal to 2x6.11 Newton. Okay. OX is equal to 143.05 Newton there. So, no. That is not for OX is 143.05 Newton there, and OY is negative 122.62 Newton there. Anybody want to tell me the answer for OX, OY, and OZ? Yes, 3D will take long time. With 3D will take long calculation. But in final, actually, question is easy this year. So we are preparing the question for final. So final is easy. Okay. So who want to tell me OX, DX, DY, and DZ? Who want to tell me? Hello. Hey, kenapa you all this batch tak mau cakap dengan saya? Hello. Hey.
Sir,
Yes.
saya dapat tapi lain, jauh sangat dengan Samir punya.
Okay, TOA is what you get?
TAE 858.33.
Then TOX?
OX 429.17. OY negative 367.
Can you write in the chat?
Okay, Okay, sir.
Samuel, they say that your answer is not right. You made 2 wrong calculation today. You made 2 wrong calculation today. It's okay, don't worry. Don't worry. That is part of the learning curve, okay? I'm just joking to you. So, same, okay, TAE is what? OX is what? AY is what? Tell me. To someone get TAE is equal to 858.33. OX is equal to 429.17. OY is negative 367.86. Okay. So you have here TAE is 858.33 Newton. So OX is 429.17 Newton. OY is negative 367.86 Newton. I hope that this is correct. Then tell me DX, DY, and DZ. Okay. Okay, mantap Afif sama. Okay. All right, same, Angela. So Angela, tell me OX, O, DX, DY, and DZ then from the above equation. DX. Okay, DX is negative 61.31 logic. DY is equal to 367.9. DZ is equal to negative 245.24 Newton. Okay, you are getting there. Is dx is equal to negative 61.31 Newton. dy is equal to 367.9 Newton. dz is equal to negative 245.25 Newton there. Then you are done for that question. Okay. 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 And okay. Is there any objection here? Someone not happy with the answer? Is there any objection here? Is there any objection here?
No, sir.
No.
Same.
Okay. Okay. I give you some those who are still working on that. Complete that at home. Complete it at home. Now we move on to this question. It's a famous when we use a plate. When we use a plate, it's always a famous. The rest are similar concept there. When we use a plate, it is a here. So a 12 kilogram, 0.24, okay, multiply by 0.24, okay, 0.25, okay, multiplied by 0.4, homogeneous plate is welded. It's welded on a bend rod is supported by two bearing A and B here. This is B here, A and B here, okay. Both bearing do not support any moment, firstly, and bearing A does not any axial force. Determine force P to maintain in equilibrium. Okay, so I want you to think. Then I want you to think. Okay, do at home. Do at home. Now I will guide you. I will guide you. So at this stage, okay, when I want you to do, okay, I want you to do this. Okay, read it carefully. Read it carefully. Read it carefully. Okay. Read it carefully. Okay. Where to put G? Okay. Are you with me now?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. So now what to do? What to do now? Edit. You will do that, and someone will be called tomorrow to show your solution. I always to say that in every class, but I didn't do that because this semester I'm considering you having problem with the flood and so on. Feel pity to you. No, I'm not going to do something like cut. Okay. Telling you now. Telling you. Okay. The question tell you now that okay. Both bearing do not moment. Okay, and bearing A does not exert any force, axial force. How many forces upon A? Hello?
2.
Yes, correct. Draw. that one you have here AY and AX. Okay. And how many forces upon O?
2.
No, it doesn't say. It doesn't say, okay, bearing O does not exert any axial thrust. What does it mean?
So 3.
Yes, sayang. Yes, sayang. Be careful when wording that we use in the examination. Wording that we use in the examination. Okay. Make sure, okay, make sure that crystal clear word. Here you have. Can I change it to point B easier or is confusing? Can I do? Can I change it point B here? Is that confusing you?
No.
No, right? So you have BX, BY, and BZ. Be careful there. That BZ. But the clues here, you get small value of BZ. But there is a but here. There is a but here because it doesn't say that BZ is 0. Be careful there. And you have a force P unknown here. P. P there. And then what else? What is another force? What is another force? What is another force here? Assalamualaikum. Kelas. What is the another force here? Hello? What is another force? I'm asking you.
Is it the mass?
The mass. But where it work? Where it work? Where it work? Where it work? Tell me.
X and Y direction.
And one way to do the moment, where is the best point for you to do the moment?
Point B.
Boleh. Okay. Saja adakan kelas. Where is the best point to do moment?
B.
Point B.
I look at that inclined plate. It's quite confusing, but it's so easy to be done. So you try to draw y x axis. Okay, try to draw y x axis. This is okay. This is y. This is x axis, right? Am I right? Hello?
Yes.
Then that plate is inclined. That plate is inclined 30 degrees from there to here. Where the distance there to there, the distance there to there, distance there to there is 0.4. And then your mg is sit in the middle of 1.4 here. This is mg here. And you having here 30 degrees. So you need that distance. So from there to there, say A, and there to there, say B in OU for you do moment N B. But in Z is easier. In Z is 0.6 plus 0.25 divided by 2. Are you absolutely clear? Hello? Hello?
Sir, can you repeat the z-axis?
The z-axis is easy. Z-axis, you look at that, if you look at y, okay, and z-axis positive there. So this is z positive there. Say this is y-axis there. It is it's mount somewhere here to the plate here. Okay, to the plate here. The plate there, okay. The distance there to there is not important for you because you just want to get the distance from here to here, the middle of it. It is equal to in Z is in dz here is equal to 0.16 plus 0.25 divided by 2. Am I right? In Z.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the Z is. Okay, then the rest is you do the same thing. I want to see this progress tomorrow. We always changing. We always changing the plate. We like to have a plate like this. Right. So I want to put you on pressure because everybody on headache of exam last night. Now what to do now? I will stop the class today. But you know what to do, right? You know what to do, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Can I? Okay, can I? So if you can do that, okay. So I will see your solution tomorrow, okay? Don't worry, but if you cannot do that, I will explain in the class. But try it first. Try it first, okay? Tonight, okay? Can you promise to me we will spend 1 hour tonight?
Yes,
Can.
sir. We can.
Okay, right. So wish that. Thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye. Spend about 1.5 hours to do that question. All right? Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank
Enjoy
you,
your
sir.
life. Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.